Yusuf has written to us from Tamil Nadu on WhatsApp. He holds 800 stocks of Tata Motors at 1,077 a piece, and he's asking if he should hold or sell. Although he's not written about his time horizon, you can see on your screen that he's sitting on a substantial amount of loss at the moment. But and the stock on the charts has been gradually falling from almost August. 30th August is when the stock started falling and has been consistently falling since then. Therefore, Vikas, let me take your view on this because Tata Motors is fundamentally a very strong company. But what is the reason of the weakness that we can see on the charts at the moment?
So the weakness got persist from no doubt as you commented from August. So it got petered out when the announcement came in of the demerger near to those 1100 odd rupees. And since then we have seen a vertical fall for the last 6.5 months. So now the stock is at near to the crucial support area of 34-month average of 700 odd levels. And the demerger is expected in the first quarter of FY26, so between April to June. So we believe the bottom-up formation has been taken in place at the counter. We can add in at current levels because the demerger benefit would again give some amount of positive news flow into the company and some re-rating could happen on the higher side. So we can add at current levels from and continue to hold the previous investment.
All right, so that's a view coming in on Tata Motors. With that, we have a WhatsApp query. Sunny is writing to us from Karnataka saying that he's bought 9,900 shares of Solar Industries I'm sorry, bought at 9,900 with 15 shares. I think the query, okay, bought at 9,900. And currently the stock is trading at 9,300 levels. He's sitting on a loss of almost 9,000 there. So his query is whether he should hold or sell the counter, although he hasn't mentioned the time horizon. So Vikas, I'm coming straight to you for the short term. What's your take on Solar Industries?
The short-term structure looks pretty weak. We believe the stock could further threat near to those 8,500, 8,400 odd levels. Because if it is looked at, the stock had consistently moved and doubled over the last 1.5 year from 4,000 odd levels to a high of around 12,000. And now it is into the corrective action. So the first baseline of support comes near to 8,500, which is a good 8.5-10% correction from current levels. So either it should exit on rallies or it should continue to exit at even current levels if it feels so.
So that's a view for the short term. And Mahesh, what do you have to say for the longer term? Because I can see that in the past 6 months, the stock has fallen over 14%. So is it advisable for Sunny to stay invested in the stock for long term?
See, longer term perspective, he want to hold, then he can hold, but risk reward ratio, current risk reward ratio is not much favorable. So I would like to, he can exit at these level and re-enter at lower level. That could be more beneficial if you want to track the stock in the longer term period, because we can see some more downside from here onwards also. And currently stock is in downturn, and I think 8,200 to 8,500 range could be a good level range for this stock for accumulation. So any range they come in there, this area then can be accumulated.